Hey guys, this is TBW563 along with
Western Emergency Alerts.
And today we are going to do an unboxing of yet another 12522. And the reason why I got another one is because, basically self-explanatory. The old 522 broke. Just like my 521. And basically the solution is, if you want to get a 2008 RadioShack radio, buy it brand new. And if this is broken, I'm returning it. Anyway, this box is tiny. So, let's open this guy up. Okay, this is going to be one of those long videos where I take like 95 seconds or 95 minutes to unbox the radio. Okay. Okay. Alright. The radio is, here, out it goes. Comes in the manual. Anything else in here? Wait, what? Oh, what the? There's no belt clip. Oh, that's clever. They put the belt clip in there right by the radio. Alrighty. I have 3 AA batteries, which hold on. I just want to close the box. So let me just close the box. Okay. Here's the box, and the radio's right there. Alrighty, let's see. Here's the manual. And the radio is right there. But, put the manual there. And here is the radio. Hold up.
Found another V8 WR300 manual. I mean, just WR300. Why did I say manual?
Funny. Okay.
It's here on under Scotland 18, and it had the new manual design. So
yeah. Anyway, here's the 522. Woo! Wow, that looks so nice. Now let's see. Oh, yes! Okay, this one isn't going to die, thank God. It was made in 2011.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. I was unlucky, now I'm lucky. Also, I have a question. Why on goddamn earth does the 522 on its label say San Practico? What does that mean? I don't know what the San Practico means, but I don't know. Well, San Practico doesn't seem to be an alert. Maybe it's scrolling. I don't know. Anyway, let's take off that label. Oddly satisfying. Now hold on, because I'm gonna put that on my window. I'm doing what Cranford did. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Keep that. And now, let's... Oh yeah, belt clip. What the frick did I do with the belt clip? Hi, Discord. Oh, there it is. I mean, I should be, I do want to put the belt clip on the radio. Oh, wow, that's nice. Now, oh, yeah, I forgot. But first, let's power on the radio, and it has a switch for alkaline and rechargeable. Eventually, I will set it to rechargeable, because I do want to have it, I want to have some rechargeables. Unless I gotta, hold on. And the only thing is it needs a 6-volt adapter. I'll have to order one. Holy cow, that's a small adapter. I wonder if the 991s do that. Oh, you can put a 996 adapter in here. That's what you use. You put a 996 adapter in it. Okay. What? No, 6 volts. It's 6 volts. And it has the same jack size as the 996. Okay?
Yeah, but you should use the 996 adapter to power the 996.
I know. I'll use my 991's adapter most likely. Okay, here we go. Powering on radio. Here we go. Channel searching. No channel available.
Right.
Hold up.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Hold up. First. Hold up. What the 522? Why are you not completely... Why are you not... Is that just how it's designed? I'll check my old 522.
Maybe you're just getting a really bad reception.
Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, now also...
The weather, and you'll find out.
Yeah, I will. Oh my god, the backlight is so much brighter. Okay, good. The tuner, it
works.
It didn't commit tuner death. I mean, I don't think the tuner would commit die. Tone defeat. Okay, here we go. Here, tone defeat. Oh, actually, you know what? No, priority is to set the channel. So, select channel.
67 degrees. Air temperature 72 degrees.
Channel 3, it'll stay on channel 3 for now. Temperature 30 degrees Celsius. It's 86 degrees in here. Okay, let's see. Set clock. It is currently 3:37. Oh yeah, by the way, Romium, I took a picture of my watch at 2:22 p.m.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I forgot to, so I'm gonna wait to 10:22.
Yeah, I was about it. That's what I.
24-hour time.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do as well. Oops, hold on, I didn't set it right. I don't know why I didn't.
So I can get 22.
No,
22,
I got
22.
yeah, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, time, and then 2:22, 22. 38. Oh, this is painful. Okay, we're going up to 38. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 3:38 p.m. Gotcha. Set alarm. Don't need to do that. Tone defeat. Advisory. Admin message. On. Yep, that's on. Oh, transmitter backup. Hold up. Practice demo. Which Melbourne issues, surprisingly. There's a flood statement? I forgot. National... What is the purpose of National Audible Test and National Silent Test?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah, power outage statement, aka power outage advisory, aka piece of shit. Special weather statement, severe weather statement, 911 telephone, transmitter backup, transmitter carrier, recognized, unrecognized, administrative. Okay. Go back here, tone defeat, area select, all location. Actually, you know what? Let's program in Hillsborough. Just to make crap. Hold on. Area select, all location, multiple loc, single location. Oh, okay, this is annoying. Two, 0. These butt beeps are getting annoying. Good thing I know Hillsborough County by code. Or, sorry, Hillsborough County by code. Or, crap. Hillsborough County same code by heart. Oops. Single reminder, yep. Actually, no. No, please. Turn that off. No, wait, what? No. Crap. I can't tell if it's on or off. Okay, off. Alert reminder, yes. Alert mode, voice. I wonder if these things have EOM detection. Alright.
Okay, pretty sure it does.
I'm pretty sure. I mean, all RadioShack radios that have same besides the 12249 don't have or have detection. Is there a way you can make it so that the backlight is constant? No, I don't think so. Alright. Well, I think we're going to conclude it here. This has been TBW563 along with
Ruskin emergency alerts.
and this was the setup of my brand new RadioShack 12522.